It is time. A lot of cars on. I know it's a local live music week, which we're going to get to a band. I don't know how big of a band guy you are.
Band's better than Jägermeister.
Bands are better than Jägermeister. Good.
Yeah.
But we know you're a car guy. Joe, owner of the Auto Experts. Thanks for coming back. It is Tune Up Tuesday. Always love when you come in and share some facts.
Yep.
You ready to do that today?
I am.
Okay, so today I understand we get to go look. The dash lights. It freaks everybody out. My dash light comes on. I don't know what to do. I don't even know what it means half the time, Joe.
Well, you're either in the camp that it freaks you out, or you're in the camp that you just drive around with them on.
Oh gosh!
And so it's usually one of two.
And that's probably a mistake. All right, so we're going to jump in. I know you want to take us through some of the lights that might pop up and that we see with some frequency, probably. Do we want to start with everybody's favorite?
Yeah, let's jump right into it.
The check engine light?
Check engine light.
That's
the dreaded check engine light.
The check engine light is the one. All right, so when we see this, break it down for us a little bit.
So generally your check engine light is going to come up in one of two different, there we go.
There it is there. All right.
Could be the little engine shape, or it could be service engine soon. Most people see the engine light. This is an important one. So all of the computers in your car, I'll talk to the primary computer. If something's wrong with one of the systems, it's going to throw one of these lights.
Got it.
Okay? Get it checked out. Don't drive around with it. It means something's wrong. Let's get it fixed before it gets worse.
And we're talking like a couple. I mean, is it immediate, Joe? Do we need? Is it like I need to directly go to the mechanic, go to the Auto Experts to get it figured out?
It depends on the light itself. So if the light is flashing, pull off as soon as it's safe, and get the car towed to a shop.
Okay.
If it's not flashing, you're okay, right?
Just
you're
for
okay
a little
for
bit.
Now. Yeah, but call your shop, get an appointment, get it taken in. But when it's flashing, let's stop driving the car as soon as it's safe to do so.
Can't tell you how much I appreciate this. All right, let's jump into coolant temperature.
Yep, coolant temperature, pretty straightforward. If this light comes on, it means your car's getting hot. Same type of situation. Try to get to a safe spot where you can get the car pulled over and get it into a shop. Frequently, this is also going to trigger a check engine light as well.
So they might both be coming at you.
They might both be coming at you.
All right, what about oil pressure?
Oil pressure, pretty straightforward. If your oil pressure is low and you know how to check your own oil, as soon as it's safe, check your oil, see if it's low. Chances are it could be a sensor. There's a bunch of different things it could be, but again, this is another one we want to check out. But that little light definitely means your oil pressure is low.
Something's off. All right, I got 4 tires, so any one of them could be having a problem with tire pressure.
Any one of them.
And I got a light that's going to tell me.
Exactly. And this one is one that people love to drive around with. They're like, oh, I got a low tire. It's no big deal, right? We're just going to drive around.
That sounds so ridiculous when you say it.
It is, but people do it all the time. We see this all the time, and they're like, would you like us to repair the sensor for you? No, I'll just drive around with it. Well, the problem is, if you got a low tire, you could be getting ready to go through tire failure, and you won't know if the light's on, right? So just pay attention to it.
Devastating. All right, my brake system, Joe, that feels pretty important.
It feels very important. So some of the older cars, computerized cars, don't have this particular light. Most of the newer cars are going to. This means there's something going on with your braking system. It is generally a pad indicator letting you know that your brakes are worn and they need to be replaced. But there are some other things that could trigger that as well. But again, it's your brakes. If this comes on, let's get it checked out.
Let's get it checked out because we need those. All right, we got 2 left. Traction stability control. Tell me about that.
Tricky one. So this could be something with the traction control system or the vehicle stability control system, or some manufacturers will throw this on when the check engine light comes on. Don't know why. My guess is they figure the more lights, the more attention, right? But sometimes this will stand on its own. Other times it's just a tag along to the check engine light.
Gosh, this is so good. All right, final one, service due. I feel like that is pretty obvious.
It is, but it can sometimes be confused with the service engine soon. This is a maintenance light. All of these are maintenance lights. So with this, it's pretty straightforward. You can call your shop, reach out to, call Google or your favorite, AI buddy, whether that's ChatGPT or whatever, and ask it what that particular light means on your vehicle. It'll tell you what services are due, and then you can go from there as far as scheduling and get them done somewhere.
Joe Gibson, he's the best. Tune Up Tuesday. I don't know how we were living without this segment before in our lives.
Well, now you don't have to worry about it anymore.
Oh my gosh, so helpful. We'll put up a little information about Joe. He is the Auto Experts. There it is, the address, everything you need. Couple different addresses you got to choose from. Website, SacramentoAutoExperts.com. Will we see you next Tuesday? You're coming up Tuesday again soon.
A few weeks.
Let's go. Can't wait.
Thanks.